You've picked the tile, you cleared your schedule, and then the project just stops. Here are the 5 reasons that happens and how to avoid every one of them. Reason number 1, permit and inspection bottlenecks. Any plumbing, electrical, or layout change usually needs a permit. And once the city's involved, your timeline depends on their review schedule too. In growing Colorado communities, permitting departments are handling heavier workloads with fewer staff. That means approvals, inspections, and re-inspections can all add unplanned weeks. Reason number 2, material delays. A bathroom remodel can be a chain reaction. Tile depends on waterproofing, waterproofing depends on plumbing, plumbing depends on the fixtures actually arriving. One back-ordered item and everything behind it stalls. Custom vanities, imported tile, and specialty fixtures can take 8 to 12 weeks or longer. Reason number 3, hidden damage behind the walls. Bathrooms deal with water every single day, and 40 to 60% of remodels uncover a surprise once demolition starts. Could be rotted subfloors, corroded pipes, wiring that doesn't meet code. In older Colorado homes, that risk goes up even more. Reason number 4, labor shortages and scheduling gaps. Nearly 9 in 10 Colorado contractors report workforce shortfalls right now, which means a bathroom remodel that needs multiple trades working in exact sequence, and if one of those trades runs long, every trade behind it then shifts too. Reason number 5, mid-project changes. While we're at it, let's extend the tile to the ceiling. It sounds small, but a new vanity can mean relocating plumbing. A new layout can mean new permits. Every change made after demo starts adds time, even the ones that feel minor. The good news? Every one of these is predictable and every one is preventable. With a professional team and pre-construction planning, a full bathroom remodel typically runs 5 to 7 days of actual install time, not months. Before you hire anyone, we recommend that you ask how they manage their timelines, when they order their materials, and how they communicate delays. We handle permitting and procurement before demolition even starts. That's how we keep our projects predictable. Plan ahead, and your remodel stays on schedule.